Hey everyone, in this video we're going to fix scanner error 0x00000015 on Windows 10 and Windows 11. This error usually pops up when you try to scan a document and your system says something like the device is not ready, or it throws the error code. Don't worry, it sounds scary, but it's usually caused by something simple like driver issues, USB connection problems, or a blocked service. Let's fix it step by step. First thing to do, unplug your scanner from the USB board. Wait a few seconds and plug it back in. If you're using a USB hub, try plugging it directly into the PC instead. Now restart your computer and try scanning again. If the error disappears, great. If not, let's move on to the next fix. Right-click the Start button and choose Device Manager. Under the Imaging Devices or Printers section, find your scanner. Right-click on it and choose Update Driver. Then click Search automatically for updated driver software. Windows will check for updates. If it finds any, go ahead and install them. Then restart your PC and test the scanner again. Still not working, let's uninstall and reinstall the scanner. In Device Manager, right-click on your scanner again and choose Uninstall Device. Once it's removed, unplug your scanner. Wait a minute, then plug it back in. Windows should automatically reinstall the driver. If it doesn't, you can download the driver manually from the manufacturer's website. Next, let's check that the Windows Image Acquisition Service, also known as WOIA, is running. This service helps your scanner talk to the system. Press Windows R, type services.msc, and hit Enter. This opens the Services window. Scroll down and find Windows Image Acquisition WIA. Right-click it, choose Properties, and make sure the startup type is set to Automatic. If the service is stopped, click Start. Click Apply and OK. Then close the Services window. Try scanning again now. If you're still seeing the error, open Control Panel. Go to Devices and Printers and right-click your scanner. Choose Remove Device. Then re-edit by clicking Add a Device at the top. Windows will search and try to reconnect the scanner cleanly. Also double-check that your antivirus or firewall isn't blocking the scanner software. Some security apps interfere with the scanner connection, especially over a network. If you're using scanning software from the scanner manufacturer, try reinstalling that software too. Sometimes it just needs a refresh. And finally, if you have access to another PC or laptop, try plugging the scanner into that computer. If it works there, then the issue is likely with your current system setup and not the device itself. Alright, that's it. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more quick tech fixes. Drop a comment if you're still stuck or if you found another method that worked. I always love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.